Hello everyone. In this video, you'll be learning the software Subtitle Edit, and I believe that this is a really good software to make SRT and VTT files for you, for YouTube or any kind of videos or even movies, series, TV shows, anime, anything you can make subtitle for. And yeah, by the end of this tutorial, you can like start working as a transcriptor online or do work for your own projects or videos. Okay, so the software's name is Subtitle Edit. So in order to download that software, I want you to go to your web browser and type in here Subtitle Edit download. So once you press that, press enter, and you see this first link from this website nix.dk. Just click over the first link, and yeah, on this website you'll be like, this website doesn't look that good, but yeah, trust me, the software is like really good and helpful with no viruses. So first of all, it gives you an overview of how this software works and all that technical stuff. Then it gives you its features, and yeah, all that stuff. You can go through this if you want to. Will not be going through this. So to download, I just want you to click over here, download latest version of Subtitle Edit. Just click over this link. From here, it will transfer you to this GitHub repository, and from this GitHub repository, you can download Subtitle Edit software. It's completely safe. So for example, 3.6.9 version is the latest version, and yeah, here is the Windows installer link. It is a zip file, Windows installer version 6432-bit. So yes, all these other options are some like for portable versions, and I don't think you need to go with this. Just click over this first link and download this software. So once you'll download this software, you just have to navigate to that folder. Okay, so once it downloads, you just have to click over this and unzip the files, extract all. Okay, once you extract all, you can just see this setup.exe file. Just click over it, and the process ahead is really simple. You won't have any issues, and yeah, you may have to turn off your antivirus temporarily, but yeah, it won't affect your system in any way. Like, people have been using this software for many times, and this software is like really trustworthy. So yeah, you won't have any issues or like anything. So once you download and install that software, what I wanted to do is like open that software, Subtitle Edit, and wait, just click on new. Okay, so once you'll download this software and open this software over here, this is the interface you are greeted with. So the first thing I would like to add over here is like, see, if you click on this timeline, this black colored timeline, just click over here once, and after doing so, you can select any of the videos if you have like the video for which you want to create subtitles. Okay, just like I want to create subtitles for this video. Just for demonstration purposes, I don't really need subtitles for this video. Well, that doesn't matter. Anyways, for example, now you can see, you can watch this entire video. This video is 5 minutes long. Okay, like here. You can also navigate from here also to the timeline, and yeah, that's really simple. So if you want to add a subtitle at 1 second of duration, for example, so it means that after 1 second the subtitle will display. So what I wanted to do is just to get your this line on the time you want to add that subtitle. So if you want to add its subtitle over here, just to navigate to this duration, this timestamp, and then click on this insert new subtitle at video position. Just click over this, and it adds a new subtitle element. I mean, this represents that element. So Yeah, for example, you see this text box over here, you can type your desired text over here. So for example, hello guys. So this is the first text I want to add over here. So yeah, if I'll give you a preview for this, this is how it looks like. The font is really small, but yeah, you can see this, it's over here. So the next thing are these options. We're gonna discuss about them. So if you'll navigate to this option over here, let me just zoom in to this part over here and press set start time. Then it will delete all this extra stuff which is on the left of this line, and your subtitle will start from this time. So if I'll click on set start time, you see this deletes that part. So now you can see when I deleted this part, then the duration, the color of this duration over here changes to red. So the reason for this is that our subtitle is less than 1 second. The duration of the subtitle is less than 1 second, and you don't usually do it because yeah, obvious reasons, people won't be able to read this in 1 second. But yeah, you can still do it if you want to, and if it's required. So for I wanted to, like, for 3 seconds, run for 3 seconds of duration. And if I just zoom out, then you can also set end time. So for example, if I'll go to this part, then if I'll set at time, then it would delete all the extra part, and the end time would be set it on that timestamp on which I want to. Like, that's really simple. Another thing we can do is, like, we can set up start time and its duration by ourselves. So for example, if I want to give the start time as 5 seconds, if I want to make it to the 5 seconds, 5 0 0 0 0, no wait, 05, it should be 05. Okay, so you can see now our subtitles start from the 5th second. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Okay, and if we'll set the duration, like for example at 1.6 right now, if I'll set it to 2 seconds, then it increases itself to 2. That's simple. You can also change its position, just click on it and drag it wherever you want to. Like, yeah, that's simple. So yeah, I'm gonna add another subtitle over here. Just click on new, insert new subtitle at video position, and it would again add an entry over here on the 4th second, because yeah, I was selected over 4 seconds. And here I want to type like I hope you all are doing really well. Okay, so what I wanted to show over here is, like, see, if you click on this option, auto BR, so it stands for auto break. And if you click on auto break, it like you see, enter between those single line. It splits the single line to two. Okay, so if you like unbreak, then it again goes to a single line. If you auto break, click on this button again, it breaks it to two simple lines by automatically. Like, that's the reason we call it auto. So you can, like, now if you'll click on previous, then you'll go to your previous subtitle, and if you click on next, you will go to your next subtitle. So yes, that's how it works. Again, I want to show you, like, for example, if you want to set a start time, you can use the shortcut key, which is F11. And if you want to set end time, you can use this shortcut key, which is F12. I'm sorry, F12, like this. So yes, if you'll also click over here, then you can see from where, like, if you click over here, then it transfer changes the position by positive 0.5 seconds. You can increase its value if you want to. And if you click over here, it will move the video forward by 5 seconds, because the value is of 5. You can decrease or increase it like this. It's like your wish. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned how to use this software. And yeah, now you can add subtitles and transcriptions to your videos. Like, yeah, this is really simple, right? If you have any problems or any doubts, you can let us know in the comment section. We will surely solve your problems or doubts. For more videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and yeah, I'll meet you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.